Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a pleasure having you here, and today I made the crab salad. Okay, it's the infamous crab salad, and you guys definitely need to try it. Let's dive in. Follow along to see how I made this salad. So let's make some crab salad. So I'm cutting up the celeries because the celeries I'm gonna put. I don't want to put too much into it. She's visiting. She's in New York now. She is in. My brother lives in the UK. He lives in Boston.
It's Don Carter 17. Up this properly, before you put in the rest of stuff there, because that is what gonna make it, I'll make it just some onion powder. This is some onion powder, some garlic powder. Celery with the scallions into it. Notice I don't put the sauce or anything into it. That's going to go last because we got to make sure it's set